And learning to live in this present moment is the secret to having more time. And nothing represents an abundance of time like the innocence of youth.
Good job, guys. What the heck?
It was great magic, but it was as well great theatre.
I like this kind of magic, you know, when it's kind of big scale and it's got a story and it's got an ending. Who said it was good theatrics?
I did, yeah.
Bruno, you're right. It was good theatrics and it was also great magic. So, yeah.